Forests are common, yet few of them grow on water. Located in southwest China's Guizhou province, Maolan National Nature Reserve is home to various forests on water. Water, rocks, and trees are the main components of these forests. Trees grow beside the rocks, their roots intertwining. The karst landform is prone to losing water. Streams are very rare. In Maolan Reserve, the travertine and withered leaves make up the humic soil, which fills in the cracks of the carbonatites, offering space for surface water. In Maolan National Nature Reserve, such a phenomenon is very common. A flowing stream may disappear magically in one spot, or a spring may gush out from nowhere under the cliff. Water flows endlessly day after day. There is hardly any sediment in the stream. The riverbed is too smooth for a crab to crawl on. Lacking the soil, how do trees survive here? Holly, boxleaf mosquito mum, red Ermaculus, small fruit fig, and other water-loving trees have taken root by the stream and become dominant species in the forest. Without the nourishing soil, the trees have to hold onto the rocks. Only in this way can they put down roots in the riverbed and never have to move again. The trees do not fear flood or drought. Crystal-clear torrents gush down through the broad-leaved community in the riverbed. The trees extend their roots over the rocks, into the water. With no pressure from the soil, the roots drift in all directions, absorbing water and nutrients for the tree to grow with. The transpiration of water vapor allows the ferns to become a dominant species on the forest floor. The rare Yunnan chiloschista clings onto branches, taking in the moisture of the stream. Water flows over the rocks and through the forest. The forest on the water forms a verdant barrier in the valley. Negative oxygen ions in the area exceed 146,000 per cubic meter annually. Water is a special feature and the soul of the forest. Rocks are a fascinating element and also the lifeblood of the forest. What water, trees, and rocks have formed is more than a unique landscape. With water in the wood, fish in the streams, birds in the trees, and a water cycle in operation, it is an aquatic forest ecosystem. Between the creatures and the environment, it is the result of long-term coevolution and natural selection.